Welcome to Victory Vibes. I'm Satyavati Barla. I'm into making business videos. Now I'm with plant decorator Angel Saxby. Hi ma'am.
Hi Satya.
What is your specialty ma'am?
Satya, I decorate homes and offices with plants based upon the colors of the room. For example, this room is brown and green and the pots that I have placed are all going to this as per the similar colors. So that's one of the things that I do. The other very important thing is plant placement. So if you don't place the plants properly in the right place, then they will not survive for very long.
Who is your clients ma'am?
My recent clients is OpenText. It's an IT company, a huge IT company. Then I have DWP Global Services, also an IT company. And then there is Tribal Team. So in these offices, I have placed plants on rent and I maintain them. Once a week, my people go in and do the watering, fertilizing, cutting the dried leaves. And if a plant is not doing well, then I replace the plant free of cost.
To make your house and office full of life, please contact Angel Saxby. Thank you. With media partner Winz Business.